they tried. Though we cannot judge a person from the hidden intentions in heart, they tried. The relief they brought, they said they'd be sharing it, but in fairness, he told us they are going to compose team of community that are concerned. But ironically, my community is not there. And a better community is not there. So I wonder the people who comprise those things. That has been our worry. We say after all this, we'll get ourselves together, all the community affected, bring out issues so that we can then now synergize and see where the shortfalls are coming from. Most of the people in the camp, just few people that have mattresses. Some have, but some just because of what they are getting from them. Yes. What they came here to, because this was the first port of call. You know, they were just hiding in the fingers of relatives and friends. So we now say, don't do that. These people will get tired of you. Just go to the camp. And that's how they moved to the camp in Fuga. Because the local government said they have the camp. They provided vehicles to convey them from there. They provided boat to go and evacuate them from there. In fact, you know, the local government is still in charge of the ferry. The ferry zone was worse. Yes. We have the river flowing through us, but the speed is the one that got to a barrier. So they don't have a natural route for the canoe or the boat. So when any boat that want to go there, we have to pass through a difficult terrain like
thick forest
like this. And when you drive through there, you prepare all your get spoiled, and then that's all. So they had it difficult. We had our small school. So they now made us, all of us, to come, and then they took us. That rebellion in November, but we went to Fuga. So the first camp got filled up. It was getting choked up. And they now get another one by the primary school there. That one took off. Then they now speed again. There's another house behind. So that's how they manage themselves.
So is there any camp here or who here are just in their relations?
They are just still relations.
Okay.
So the camp we have is the one in Fuga.
Then this is another people you said there.
Those are they were here. They were here. It's just that unfortunately because of my tertiary with them, I keep missing their camp. Somewhere in Esako East here, down there, but I don't know where it is because we don't have a variation of local government that can say it.
Yeah, they belong to this side.
Yes. So
these are part of this local
government. Yes. That is why we have moved to Esako Central.
So what I say now is that
there's not much we can do about it because our parents have taught us in this position. But all the same, I think everything has its own beauty. At the end of time, maybe the beauty of this, why we are like this, will come out. Because even like my brother here and Betty, as close as we are, we still have our own little. Pray that yes, we let me as a body, in the spirit we have united one day, suddenly as we are supposed to be. You go to Endeavour, you go to Peru. No, you fraternize. Beyond all this, marry your daughter, you marry my daughter. Before you know it, my son say no, let's go to my mommy's place. My son say no, let's go to daddy's place. At the end of the day, you take over the entire area we are dominating. So I appreciate your coming. God bless you tremendously. The car you use, I'm sure before you get home, another car will be saying that I need to come and join this program. Because you might not know it. God has a different way of doing things seriously. The mind you have to stop, to give it out, you will not lose. I appreciate you all. And like Oyola said, I'm respecting him because it's part of our hunting. I was supposed to even go and join him before calling, but I felt I needed some.
How does it normally come out and go in now?
There's a boat.
Okay, to particular point.
No. Boat gets to the beach.
it gets to
Okay.
This water.
Okay, passing through. Okay.
It's
Speedboat or
Speedboat, I don't know that way.
All those coming to market.
The road they promise
What about
us.
this Udoshi Kweko?